Hello all September 24 CA Inter students. I hope your studies are going in full swing and you're all geared up about your September exams. So your advanced accounting paper is just a few days away and I just thought that I'll make a quick video to share with you a few important study tips and the things that you can probably remember and try the study plan for your last 4 or 5 days. So ideally, I would suggest that you keep around 5 days or bare minimum at least 4 days before your paper so that you can give an ample amount of time for your accounting preparation. It is your first paper and it is best if you kind of dedicate a decent amount of time, get all your confidence and ensure exhaustive coverage for the same. So in the 4 days or let's say 4.5 days that you have, I would suggest that you will keep 2 days for accounting standards. While doing accounting standards, ensure that you kind of review the provisions, but at the same time focus on practicing the problems. At least you can read the problems, the case-based ones. You will, as you would be aware, you will explain the law, connect the law to the given case and conclude. But for chapters like EPS, leases, where there is numericals, just do even a rough practice and that would be helpful. Then for around 2 days, you will do the bigger topics like amalgamation, consolidation, internal reconstruction. While doing so, it is very, very important that you kind of do some pen and paper practice, at least for 2 problems in each of them, because consolidation, amalgamation, yes, you might know the adjustments and provisions, but the flow of solving, when to prepare which working note, it is best if you kind of practice and revise the same. And another half a day or some buffer if you can keep, and if there is some time where you kind of revise whatever is done, that would be helpful. But ensure that you don't try to refer anything which is new at this stage. If something you have done properly, focus on the material that you have covered. It is a time to consolidate on our strengths and not really focus on our weaknesses. So mainly focus on your strengths, strengthen them, touch upon everything, keep confidence, and if you want to practice a few MCQs, you can do that from the ICI BOS or the things behind your study material. But having said that, if your core content is good, you don't necessarily need to do an MCQ practice. When you sit to even write the 3-hour paper, ensure that you use your first 15 minutes of reading time properly. You don't really spend your time in referring things like question number 1, which you in any case have to attempt. From the other questions, just try to filter out the question that you want to start with. Typically that should be the question which you are most comfortable with, and figure out the question which you don't want to attempt, and ensure that you do consolidation and amalgamation somewhere in the middle of the paper and you don't really start with them, because if the balance sheet does not tally, it kind of takes your confidence away. So that's just about it. I'm sure you guys are going to do quite well in these exams. Prepare well, study well, give it your best shot, sleep well at the same time, and be confident. Tell yourself that you will be able to do it, and being ready mentally is half the battle won. You have put in so many hours, so much hard work. It will come back to you and you will be coming out smiling after your CA Inter exams. But this is the time to kind of prepare well, be confident, be focused, and today is Ganesh Chaturthi as well, so I'm sure it's a very good starting day. I'm sure Lord Ganesha will shower all his blessings on you. Study hard, good luck, goodbye, and take care.